Hey guys, check it out. I have a Toyota Tundra here, but it's not any Tundra. This is a special project truck from a couple years ago, but it's featuring some new Line-X products, and I wanted to give you a quick walk around and demonstration here with Eric.
Hey Andre, Eric Wagner here from Line-X. So this is actually featuring our Line-X Ultra, which is a more laid down product than our bedliner. So it's actually sprayed at only 20 mils as opposed to 75 to 125.
So it's a very kind of a neat, tight, almost like paint.
Almost like paint. So it was originally designed to replace powder coating, and our franchise network discovered that it was perfect for the exteriors because, as you said, it's excellent for these tolerances that are all over the new vehicles.
So you said it's scratch resistant. Can we show in the front, show up here?
Oh, absolutely. I've got the key out.
Okay,
truck key.
Okay.
And we can come right along here just like someone might do to your car if they were mad at you.
Oh no, please don't do that.
And you can see we've got a little bit of rain out here.
Okay.
But all you see right there is actually the water from the rain. Nothing scarring this up.
Okay. So it made no impact?
No impact. So that's the same properties that our bedliner has with impact resistance, corrosion, rust. All of those properties that our bedliner has are also found right here in this material. And this cover is actually coated in a Line-X material as well to protect against those scratches and dents that you might get on your tonneau cover.
So it's just a little coarser.
It is a little bit coarser, okay. So we used a little bit different texturing on this. And then if we walk around here to the tailgate,
okay, we
can drop the tailgate and you can see the traditional bedliner material right here on the tailgate. And you can see that gets even a little bit more coarse. So it's through our franchise network across the United States. We've got right around 550 across the US and 70 in Canada, as well as we're in 70 different countries around the world.
Can you pop the hood actually? You have something under there.
Yeah, we have a little something special.
Okay. Let's take a look under the hood.
It's a little extra piece.
Well, it's a project truck, right?
It's a project truck.
So why not, right?
So we needed a little bit more power, so we put the Magnuson supercharger on there.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a 5.7 liter V8.
Correct.
With a supercharger. Well, let's fire it up.
Okay.
Maybe you could rev it a couple times for me. Absolutely. Thanks.
Love to.
Let me find the tail pipe. Yep. That was nice.
Plenty of power to go to the grocery store with.
Well, thank you for sharing the truck with us.
Absolutely, Andre. Thank you so much for having us.
How can people find you guys? What's the best way?
Best way is to find us online at linex.com. You can locate a dealer and also learn more about our products there.